Hey everybody, this is Jim at SP500chart.com. It's a little bit after midnight on, actually it's Monday morning, very early, August 3rd, 2020. Boy, when it rains, it pours. We had a storm, brief storm, roll through here, and we're without power for hours. So anyway, things are back running normally now. Read this, and we'll take a quick look at the weekly review. Okay, you've read that, so we're ready to move on. Okay, kind of a funky looking week. On the plus side, we closed really at the highs of the week for all practical purposes. But look at that strange day on Friday where we gapped up, then came down, gapped up, started things at about 32.70 and lost 50 points and then gained 50 points right back. Real interesting. We are over this line, but you can see we've been really sort of dancing all around it. So I'm sort of looking at this 32.80-ish line right here with some interest to see if we can get over that. We're sort of in the same general vicinity as this line of support or this line maybe of support, but you can see we really have not obeyed any rising trend line very accurately over the last week and a half roughly or so. So what I'm looking for is to get over this 32.80 line, and if we do that, then I think we will start making these three targets. Remember, we've got a target from this symmetrical triangle. We have a target from what appears to be sort of an inverted head and shoulders pattern. And then we have this potential cup and handle right here, even though we've sort of gotten a little out of shape when we got underneath this line here. But again, like I said, we closed the week over this line. So I'm going to make this real short and sweet, guys. I'll just have to spend a little bit more time on things maybe tomorrow. But my apologies. Well, like I said, when it rains, it pours. I was out of town. My laptop died, and now power went out. What's I got to do? So, basically, I don't think anything really changed this week. We just sort of noodled around some of these support lines in a way that's a little troubling, but we'll see. Finally, if you look at a daily chart, this is just a little point of interest. If we look at a daily chart, you see this pattern here, that candlestick. There it is. Gap up, down, close right at the opening level, very close to it. That actually is a bearish pattern, but it requires a second day to be confirmed. That would be called a hanging man. If it were in a low point, it would be a bullish pattern because it would be a hammer. I don't think that we can say that's a hammer, but if we look at a weekly chart, there you see, well, that's pretty much a solid green candle there. It's not particularly tall, but so sort of conflicting signals there when you look at it. If you look at the, like I said, a 15-minute or a 30-minute chart, it actually looks like we could see some follow-through buying. So let's just see. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Thanks for taking time I'd ready to watch this. Sorry it came so late. I knew it was going to be this evening, but I didn't know it was going to be midnight. So thanks for watching, and thanks for your support.